Okay, this time let's solve some line equation problems. The first problem is find the slope of the line passing through the points P1 and P2. So what was slope? Slope is the change in y value over change in x value. So that is 4 minus 3 over 3 minus 2, which is 7 over 5. So the slope of this line is 7 over 5. Now let's move on to this question. In this question, we are given the slope of the line. It is minus 4. And this line passes through the points P1 and P2. We are asked the x value of the P2 point. Again, I'm going to use the slope equation, slope formula. Slope equals to delta y over delta x, which is minus 15 minus 5 over x0 minus 2. That equals to minus 20 over x0 plus 2. And slope was given, it's minus 4. So from this equation, we can say that 5 equals to x0 plus 2 and x0 equals to 3. Yeah, that's the answer. Well, I can use a second way to solve this question. Now let's solve it in that way. This time I'm going to find the equation of the line, and then from this equation of the line I'm going to find the x value of our second point. Line equation is something like y equals to slope times x plus a constant value, let's say c. So let's apply this equation to our first point, which means 5 equals to slope is minus 4 times x is minus 2 plus c. So 5 equals to 8 plus c equals to minus 3. So I found the line equation of this line, which is y equals to minus 4x minus 3. This is the equation of our line. And this equation, when we apply this equation to our second point, it should also satisfy. So minus 15 equals to minus 4 times x0 minus 3. From here, I will have 4x0 equals to 12, and therefore x0 equals to 3. That was the second way. We use line equation in order to solve the question. Okay, this time let's move on to this question. This question says that what is the line equation of a line that passes through points P1, that's the intersection of lines with equations y equals to 2x minus 2 and y equals to minus x plus 7, and P2, which is origin. In order to understand the question better, I'm going to visualize the problem. So as you can see, there are two lines here, y equals to 2x minus 2 and y equals to minus x plus 7. The first point the question says is the intersection of these two lines. Therefore, our first point is this one, which is P1. And our second point is origin, which is this one, P2. The question asks us the line equation of the line that passes through these 2 points. The equation of this line is asked to us. So in order to find this equation, first we are going to find the coordinates of P1. Let's say that P1 is x star, y star. So this one is x star, and here this is y star. According to line 1, which is y equals to 2x minus 2, when we have x equals to x star, we will have y equals to 2x star minus 2, which is equal to y star. We are going to do the same thing for line 2, which is y equals to minus x plus 7. So again, when x is x star, our y value will be minus x star plus 7, which is again equals to y star. So from these two line equations, we have 2x star minus 2 equals to minus x star plus 7. And therefore, we will have 3x star equals to 9, and x star will be equal to 3. So the x value of the intersection point is 3. Now let's find y value of this intersection point. Y star equals to 2x star minus 2, which is 2 times 3 minus 2, and that is 4. So therefore, our P1 point, x star comma y star, equals to 3 comma 4. And also we know that P2 is 0 comma 0, its origin. Now we will find the line equation that passes through these 2 points. As you know, a line equation is something like y equals to m times x plus n. N is the constant and m is the coefficient of x, which is also slope in this case. So let's apply this equation to our first point P1. We will have 4 equals to m times 3 plus n. And also let's apply the same equation to our second point, which is 0 equals to m times 0 plus n. From this second equation, we will have n equals to 0. When we put 0 in the place of n, we will have m equals to 4 over 3. Therefore, our line equation will be y equals to 4 over 3x. This is the answer of our question. Okay, let's solve this question. There are infinite number of lines that all pass through the points x star, comma, y star. Line equations of these lines are given as m plus 2x plus 3y minus 4m minus 14 equals to 0. We are asked the coordinates of this intersection point. Here we have different lines according to different m values, but no matter what the m value is, the intersection point x star comma y star always satisfies the line equations of these lines. No matter what the m value is, x star comma y star always satisfies the equation. So if the m value doesn't matter, I should destroy this m value. How am I going to do that? So let me write the equation here again. M plus 2 x plus 3y minus 4m minus 14 equals to 0. I'm going to change the look of this equation a little bit. How am I going to do that? So here I'm going to say mx plus 2x plus 3y minus 4m minus 14. And I'm going to take the m terms next to each other. So 2x plus 3y plus mx minus 4m minus 14. And this one also equals to 2x plus 3y plus x minus 4 m minus 14. So after this, we see that when x equals to 4, here x is 4, the equation will be 2 times 4 plus 3y plus 4 minus 4 m minus 14 equals to 0. Here, as you can see, this value is 0, so there is no m value in our equation. We will have 8 plus 3y minus 14 equals to 0, which means 3y equals to 6 and y equals to 2. So from here, we can say that no matter what value m has when x equals to 4, y is always 2. Therefore, we found the intersection point. It is x star comma y star equals to 4 comma 2. When I assign 4 to x, the m values always cancel each other. M value will be out of the equation. So therefore we found our point x star comma y star equals to 4 comma 2.
All right, looks like we're done here.